Do you want to know?
Hello and welcome back to my channel. How are you doing today? So today I just want to make a video. I'm just trying to figure out what to do with this hair. I'm about to go to evening service, and under this kind of hair I can't wear a wig, because if I wear a wig it won't relax. So I'm just trying to figure out what to do with this hair now. Okay, so I have my spray bottle. Inside this spray bottle I have castor oil and water. I'm planning on washing my hair this weekend. This is just a regular hair cream, okay? This is for C hair. You know, it's usually strong, dry, and so on and so forth. It's really difficult to manage. What will I do to this hair now? I do not want to wear wig because heat. Just a quick one. So I'm going to tie this hair scarf from the hair for 15 minutes. This is going to help to lay down the fly outs. Okay, and you will see the difference after I remove this scarf on the hair. It's amazing. Since I did not use gel or anything that will lay down the hair, the fly outs, this hair scarf is going to help. So just look at the amazing difference. Can you see this? Can you see this? It's amazing. Just for 15 minutes. 15 minutes is fine, okay? So when I tie the hair, I just went and do something else, okay? So thank you so much for watching, and bye.